In this video, I will show you how to create and preview an AI agent inside of Jotform. Now, once we have our AI agent opened up here, we're going to make sure that we are inside of the Build tab here. And here you can choose how you want your agent to appear, such as a chatbot, as a standalone page, or any of these other display options that we have over here on the left-hand side. Then on the right-hand side, if we mouse over this little icon here, we can click on this little paint roller brush here, and that's going to open up additional options that we can use to really stylize and customize the way that our chatbot looks. So we have our avatar here that we can switch around, and we also have our style here where we can change the color scheme by selecting these options here, or we can even manually insert our own hex colors here. And we have additional information that we can use as I scroll down here to really make this fit and match our brand to a T. Now, once you are finished customizing this agent how you like, go ahead and click on the Publish tab up here at the top. Then on the left-hand side, you want to make sure that you have a chatbot selected, and this allows us to see a quick preview of the agent. And we can see that preview down here in the bottom right-hand corner, and I can click on it, and it's going to open up that preview for us. Not only that, we can also click on Open in New Tab to view the chatbot in a separate window, which again, we can see it down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Now back inside of the Publish section, we can click on the Preview toggle up here at the top right to see how our agent will appear on our website. So down here in the bottom right-hand corner, we can see how that looks. And we can also change the different styles on the left-hand side to see how those look as well inside of the Preview tab. And from here, we can see how this looks on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile. And again, if we switch to the chatbot channel, for example, we can see how this looks across the different platforms as well. And we can even interact with our chatbot to confirm that their responses are what we expected. And that's it. Your AI agent is ready to interact with your users on your website. Thanks for watching, and explore more Jotform AI features, and I'll see you in the next video.